So here are 12 problems on expanding and condensing. Right, so this one is expanded, so we need to condense it. This 3 is going to get moved here to be an exponent, and this 2 is going to get moved there to be an exponent. So we get log base 9 of 2 cubed minus log base 9 of 5 squared. And so then I get log base 9 of 8 divided by 25. Because 2 cubed is 8, 5 squared is 25, and the minus gives me division. Right. Let's see, this 6 is going to get moved to here. The addition is going to be multiplication. So I get log base 6 of x times y times z to the 6th. Next one, number 3. I'm going to move that 2 as an exponent and that 12 as an exponent. And the addition becomes multiplication. So I get log base 5 of x squared y to the 12th. Let's see, this 4 is going to become an exponent. And the addition becomes multiplication. So I have log base 3 of 12 times 7 times 5 to the 4th. Now because this is meant to be without a calculator, I'd probably just leave it like that. Alright, number 5. We've got log base 2 of 5 plus 1/2 log base 2 of 6 plus 1/2 log base 2 of 11. Because this whole thing is divided by 2, that's the same as multiplying by a half. So this half gets to be the exponent on the 6, and this 1/2 becomes the exponent on the 11. So we get log base 2 of the square root, I'm sorry, I skipped the 5, didn't mean to do that, 5 times the square root of 6 times the square root of 11, which I could just then say is the square root of 66. Alright, this next one, this 3 is going to become an exponent, and the 12 is going to become an exponent, and the subtraction is division. So log base 2 of 3 cubed over 7 to the 12th. I don't know what 7 to the 12th is. So I could leave it like that, or I could say log base 2 of 27 over 7 to the 12th. That's all I'd have to do. I'd probably even just leave it like that. Right. So that was some practice condensing. Now we're going to do some practice expanding. So we have log base 7 of x to the 4th minus log base 7 of y squared. Because division is subtraction, then I'm going to move those exponents to the front. And I get 4 log base 7 of x minus 2 log base 7 of y. I've got log base 7 of 2 cubed minus log base 7 of 5 squared, because division is subtraction. Those exponents move to the front. 2 log base 7 of 2, I didn't mean 2, I meant 3. Sorry, I moved a 3 to the front. Minus 2 log base 7 of 5. So next one, I've got log base 3 of z plus log base 3 of x to the 1/3 plus log base 3 of y to the 1/3, because that cube root is on both of those, and cube root is the 1/3 as an exponent, so I'm going to move that exponent to the front, and I get log base 3 of z plus 1/3 log base 3 of x plus 1/3 log base 3 of y. Okay, the next one, number 10. Again, division is subtraction, so log base 5 of a cubed minus log base 5 of b cubed. Exponents move to the front. 3 log base 5 of a minus 3 log base 5 of b. Alright, last two, 11 and 12. So I've got log base 6. I'm going to think of this as u squared plus log base 6 of v. Power to a power we multiply. So 3 times 2 becomes 6. And then I move these exponents to the front, and I get 2 log base 6 of u plus 6 log base 6 of v. And lastly, log base 4 of 12 to the 4th plus log base 4 of 7. Power to a power we multiply, so that's going to become to the 8th. Those exponents moved to the front. And I get 4 log base 4 of 12 plus 8 log base 4 of 7. And I'm done.